So today is a little different type of cooking. I normally cook inside the kitchen, but since we got a new grill, I decided to make some chicken curry today. So it's a little different. Whatever I'm making, it's not an Indian recipe. It's a very popular Pakistani recipe called chicken Karahi. So in Pakistan and other countries, there's a lot of street food, and street food is very popular. So this chicken karai is a very famous dhaba style or street style food. So today's episode is all about street food at home. So for this karai chicken, we need one whole chicken cut in small pieces. I'm using halal chicken, but you can use any kind of chicken, it doesn't matter. I have all the spices, and this curry or karai chicken is a little spicier, but you can also adjust the spices. If you want little less spicy, you can add only 1 or 2 green chili. So these are the basic spices: turmeric, garam masala, coriander powder, meat masala, chili powder, and some salt, coriander leaves, little piece of butter, and the other ingredients. The main thing you need is a nice wok like this, because karai chicken in dhabas they usually use the iron skillet, the very thick iron skillet, and the taste of this chicken comes mainly from cooking in that iron skillet. Since I don't have an iron skillet, I'm using a wok, and wok pretty much works the same way. And then we have some onions here. You use very less onion for the chicken, some grated ginger, and grated ginger is is a major ingredient in Pakistani cooking. 3 medium-sized tomato, some ginger garlic paste. I only use 2 green chili here, and a little bit of oil. I need a little bit of water too, but when we start cooking, if it is less gravy, we can add some water. Street food is very popular in India and many countries because first food you have to try is street food. Trust me, that's the best food you have ever eaten in your life. I think because the street food is considered to be very popular because it's very convenient, it's cheap, and it's available everywhere. And also it is made fresh in just in front of your eyes. So today I am also trying to do this live, so just bear with me. I'm trying this cooking for the first time outside. So I just pour like 2 tablespoons of oil in a nice skillet, and this skillet is very nice. You should just buy one like that. And when the oil is hot, this is a little different. I'm adding the chicken directly to this wok. So just be careful because the wok is a little hot. So when the chicken is sauteed for some time, you add like half teaspoon of pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. And just saute. And one important thing, to make this chicken, your wok has to be very hot, and so the flame needs to be on high, because that's how they make in street. You can see the chicken is getting cooked. The color is changing. Since it's windy, it's taking a little bit time, but otherwise usually it gets cooked in like few minutes. It's very windy today. So meanwhile I'm sauteing some onions and grilling the tomato. Usually you add everything in the kadai and do it, but since it's windy, I thought, okay, I'll just do this on a side way. 3 tomatoes directly into the chicken. So this tomato will cook along with the chicken, and when it is cooked very well, I will just peel off the skin. So this is the way they do it. Usually we add pieces or tomato puree, but in this case you don't have to do that. The tomatoes are all cooked and started getting into the chicken, so this is the right time to add the spice. Meanwhile, I put the onions in the grill. Wow, nicely roasted. I'm going to add okay, I added the onions to it. The chicken looks good now. We can add the spices. Teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander, 1/4 teaspoon of any meat masala, and this is the homemade garam masala, little bit, like a pinch should be good. This whole area is smelling. Our neighbors will start coming. It's the dhaba food, right? I have kept some naan also. This is store-bought naan, okay, but this is coriander and garlic naan, and that's plain naan. It looks so good. You know, I got it from Arab store, and the naan looks so good. So I'm not making naan today. The chicken is coming out very nicely. Add the last garnish stuff, the ginger slices, 2 green chilies sliced, and few coriander leaves. I'm going to throw ginger slices, green chili, give it a stir. Some coriander leaves, a small half tablespoon of butter. You can skip this part if you are not very comfortable adding butter, but this gives a really good taste, and trust me, all the street food they add a little bit of butter at the end. I don't know why. Maybe that adds to the whole flavor of the food. You can also add some butter to the naan if you want, but I'm skipping it. And I need my husband
Butter
to turn
gives a
this
good aroma to the whole
the other side,
curry.
because I'm not very good with the grilling. The naans are ready. Okay, you can take the remaining ones. Oh, look at this color. This naan, this Karahi chicken, and a cup of masala chai. Perfect to go with this weather. It's a little windy and rainy. I'm sure you guys are all going to try this recipe. Karahi chicken is ready. Oh my god, the smell is so divine. You guys should definitely try it. Just get some frozen naan or pita bread from the store. You just have to worry about this chicken, and it's very easy. If you asked them to cut the chicken, they'll cut the chicken. You just have to wash it for some time, and that's it. You just need the spices, a little bit of onion, and that's it. You know, it's very easy. I'm going to sprinkle this with some more ginger slices, coriander leaves. You can add parsley or anything if you have, but in Pakistani cooking they use a lot of coriander seeds. Oh, look at this, the oil is coming on the side, and naans are ready. So our Karahi chicken is ready. So I hope you guys had a wonderful time traveling with me all the way to Karachi in Pakistan and had a great time. And please try this recipe and let me know how it comes out. And when you get a chance, please subscribe. Oh, came out really well, Ika.